Me love the boobies, big or small, from A to double D. Me love them all. Flat like pancake or round like melon. Every shape and size got me heart swelling. Chesticles or knockers, me no mind, as long as them attached to a girl so fine. Some man only want them big and bouncy, but me appreciate her even if them bouncy. Me say tiny tatas, them perky and cute. Big bazangas, them full like ripe fruit. Every bosom beautiful in its own way. Me love sucking pon them boobies night and day. Me a boob man, me no discriminate. Oh no. Big or small, me love them equally great. Me a boob man, me love them all the same. All the same. Every size look good pon a female frame. Some girl feel shame about them chest, but me say every pair is the very best. Whether them hang low or stand up high, to Rasta man them all catch me eye. Me no judge based on cup or measure. Each pair of boobs is nature own treasure. Big like coconuts or tiny like lime. Me love them all, them so sublime. Some prefer them firm, some like them soft, but me love them all, from ground to loft. Rasta man not discriminate, that's the truth. No matter the size, me love sucking pon them boobs. Me a boob man, me not discriminate. Oh no. Big or small, me love them equally great. Me a boob man, me love them all the same. All the same. Every size look good pon a female frame. Them catch me eye, me can't help but stare it hard for deny. Inna the office, them a pass by. You know me can't resist off it, take a sly look eye. At the lunch pot, behind the counter, every shape and size me encounter. Inna the park, jogging inna the sun, me see them boobs bouncing, what a run. At the grocery store, reaching for the shelf, me have to take a look, me can't help myself. Me a boob man, me no discriminate.